Hari Om. Ramayana is the oldest Sanskrit literature, which is rightly called as Adi Kavyam. It is a treatise on dharma and the values of life. We can very well see that each character in the Ramayana is etched with a motive to signify the need for following dharma. Rama, in particular, has displayed the highest order of dharma. This we can understand from the descriptions of sage Valmiki on Rama, like Ramo dharma bhritam varaha, Ramo dharma ivaparaha, Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha, and so on. Our motherland India has seen a lot of invasions by different people of different religions. As a result, Ramayana is referred to as mythology in English. The sad part is, we Indians also describe it so in our casual conversation. But in reality, Ramayana is neither a myth nor a poetry. It is an itihasa, iti ha asa, which means thus it was, or this is how it happened. The social ideals and the family relationships introduced by sage Valmiki are very unique. Throughout Ramayana, when it is a choice between the social welfare and personal welfare, Rama always chooses the former. There are so many instances in the Ramayana where Rama sacrifices his personal preferences over the welfare of the society. Rama has given us a valuable lesson on our duty towards Loka Kalyana. The concept like Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is possible only if we think in the interest of Loka Kalyana. In this sense, the ideals of Rama and Ramayana are relevant even today. Let us understand the true spirit of Ramayana and follow the footsteps of Rama to create a friendlier world built on the principles of Satya and Dharma. Jai Shri Ram.